Mikey used to tell me I have an accent?
You do. I hear. Hey, Richard, you on the wrong line, bro. Perfect. So you.
Told me today I will post
Oh!
during Art Basel with one of my favorite. I gotta say, one of my favorite photographers. One of my favorite.
Okay, so let me have you turn around. Yeah, perfect, yep. Have you come down right there?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
I guess that is chilly. Okay, a lot chilly now.
Your body.
Waves.
I ain't got nothing. If I drop it, bitch, perfect. Now lean back. Yeah, perfect. Yep. Stay there. Pause. You know, I'm gonna go to 1600 ISO. I'll bump this bad boy up. 2.8. Yeah, we good right here. You know what? F it. 3200. Let's just grain it out. All right, ready? Yep. Yeah, perfect. Yep. Ooh. So I'm not even here. You're just looking off. Yeah. Hold that. I'm gonna move the light around just a little bit. So spread the other. No. Bring that leg up. Yeah, other one. Yeah. Bring that one down. Yeah. And bring the other arm out. Not you floating away. No, both hands back. That's it. Don't float away now. Hold up. Bring your chin up. Chin back. Yeah. That's it. Chin back even more. Like exaggerate it. Like that's perfect. That's it. Yeah, perfect. Yep. Like, that's it. Eyes right here. Stay splash never hurt.
Splash, splash.
Hold that. You guys, they only got it at 4%. I've had this light at 25% the entire time. I'm gonna turn the light up even more. I'm at 37%. I'm gonna bring it closer to you a little bit. Actually, go close to the water. Go to the edge of the water. I like that on the edge of the water. That's it. That's the pose. Twist the body even more away from me. Away from me. Yep. Perfect. Eyes right here towards the camera. You're right there.
Right here?
Yeah. Go further back. Oh, wait, this is perfect. This is perfect.
Yeah.
Just stand there and just pose. Just pose, yeah, just pose.
Oh,
Yep.
just for photo.
Yeah, just model like this, yeah. Perfect, just pose. Let's just stop over here.
So we'll put the white shirt on top of the red. You want to try what we're working with?
It's not bad. That's not bad at all. This might be the shirt, and it pushed you. Ooh.
Okay, but I don't know anything what to do with that.
You guys, how do you use a Canon G7X? You see, I use all brands. All right, let's just take a picture and see what happens.
Okay.
How you make it come up? How you make the flash come up? Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Hit that button right there.
Oh, right here.
There we go.
And then this we can close.
Right,
right?
let me see what this does. Test shot.
Yeah.
Just right there. Hey, hold up. Not me out here jumping around. Hey.
Ooh.
The G7 is a vibe, bro.
Perfect.
I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. And all the boys don't know how to act. Yeah. I'm thinking special what's behind your back. Yeah. So turn around and I'll be the side. Yeah.
Let's get in the water. Let's see what it looks in the water. Oh, this is fire. I ain't gonna hold. Hey, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. You gotta send me these images. On Phonem Grade, right here. Stand right there. Yeah. No. Right there. Stop it right there. Stop it right there. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, just play. Just play. Uh-oh, not the focus getting all over it. Here we go. Hold that. Wait, hold that. Stay there, backing up. Boom, that's the iconic Uncle Luke. Just look your head back here. Perfect, hold that. Oh, hold that! Don't move. Hey, on God. Oh, stay there. Bring. Oh, yeah.
I'm not that quick. I need to warm up. Okay, I gotta get this done for the shot. Anything for the shot.
Let's go.
Back?
Yep, right here is perfect.
Okay. So I gotta kind of dump it in. I got better fall. Hold on, I'll make it right back. I'll get it.
Wait, pause.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying to do it artistically. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Now we're gonna go back here. Okay.
Wait. Gotta get this on.
Now we're gonna get sports illustrated look.
Perfect. X100. Right now it's at 14%. I've been using it on low power. My ISO has been between like 800, 500 on my camera. I've been like f2, 2228, 1/6 of the shutter speed. Like my shutter speed has been between 200 and 100. So I've been pretty low on the shutter speed, pretty high on the ISO. But the light is so dark out here that you don't need a whole lot of light to make a difference, right? And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to edit to where when I could bring up the shadows, I could bring up the background. If she's so bright, if I try to bring up the whole image, it's gonna make her look too bright. So I'm trying to shoot like on a more of an underexposed type of thing so that I can bring up the background just a little bit so we can see more of the background, if that makes sense. So it's a plan. That's why I'm shooting at lower, kind of lower ISOs, kind of, sort of. And that's why I have the light so dim.
Right now it's still low. He loves all of your work.
Oh.
I see what you mean. Like I translate on camera like this.
Oh, I love Tulum. Yo, me and you in Tulum for your Patreon.
Yes.